Hello everyone, welcome to this video series called Hello World. And in this series I'm going to teach you how to, in many programming language, create a Hello World program. I created this series because when I was learning Python I couldn't figure out how to actually run a program, and this really made me unmotivated to actually do anything. But then in school I was taught a Hello World program in Python that made me think, wow, this programming language is really easy. Why didn't I pick up on it a year ago? And once you figure out how to actually run a program, then it's really easy to get started with it and make yourself an advanced user. So to get started, we're going to learn Java today. And Java is a really good programming language. I think it's number 2 in the list of popularity, so if you decide to ever go into the career of Java, it's a really good career. So to get started, we're going to use NetBeans IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and we're going to be using NetBeans, as I've already said. So to install or download NetBeans, you have to go to Chrome, you have to Google NetBeans. There it is. So the first one, welcome to NetBeans, netbeans.org. And just go to download, and then download this one. This one has the most basic features, but you're not going to be using these features anyway if you want to learn Java. So click on download and then wait for it to download, and then it's gonna download this installer. I'm gonna cancel that because I already installed it. So basically just install it. It should be a really easy process. If you have any questions about the installment, because I didn't cover it here, you just reply in the comments and I'm gonna get back to you. So once you've installed it, you're gonna get NetBeans, and this is what it looks like. So you're probably not gonna get these two projects because those are my projects, but you're gonna get something like this. So what we can do is to create a new project, to create a Hello World program. We're gonna do is right click here where the projects tab in the panel, new project, and there you go. But if you don't have this, you can just go to Window, Projects, or what you can do is go to File and New Project. So there are two ways of doing this, maybe more, but this is the most convenient way. So we're going to be working with Java today, so click on Java, Java Application, and Next. Now here's the project name. We're going to name this anything we want, but I'm just going to name it Hello World so I know what we're talking about. So it's going to be on my desktop. It's just where you want to put it. And then this means basically, let's say you want to have a library, and library is just a collection of code. And if you want to have an external library, you can put it in this lib folder if you check mark it. And then you can use it anywhere else in like any other computer, not just the one you're developing in. So it's really useful, but for right now we don't need this with a Hello World program. And then finally we're going to create a main class. So press finish and you'll get this screen that organizes everything for you because NetBeans is amazing. So the only thing I don't like about NetBeans is it makes all these comments when you actually create a project. So I'm just going to get rid of them. Alright, so this is your main method where you write all your code. That in the beginning. You're going to have other ways of doing it, but I'm not going to explain all that to you right now. So we're just going to make a Hello World program. So in NetBeans, what you can do is write South and then press tab. And NetBeans is automatically going to fill this out for you. System.out.println, and then whatever is inside these quotes is what is going to be written in the console. So we're going to write Hello World since we want to actually print Hello World. That's the goal of this video. So once you got all that working, just click on this big play button right here, Run Project, or press F6 if you're adventurous, and it's gonna say Hello World. So there, you made your first program in Java. So if this all went successfully, then you're more than ready to actually begin exploring Java and its amazingness. So if you enjoy this tutorial, subscribe, and I'm gonna have some more tutorials like C#. I'm gonna have Haskell. I'm actually learning Haskell right now, and I already know how to make a Hello World, so I'm gonna do that. Python, ActionScript 3, ActionScript 2, Visual Basic, C++, C, and some other tutorials that some other programming languages I can't think of right now, but they're all going to be available. So if you subscribe, you'll stay up to date, and you can maybe learn another programming language other than Java. So yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.